brother and I in the old crescent room. A blanket of bark would hide the light from you, was covered in old gold. You sleep like a stone. On a mattress you lay, I'll cover you in clay. I'll contort your body, I'll mold you into something beautiful. New and beautiful, are you in or are you out? 'Cause I know you're addicted to it's rare to hear a plea for oxygen. Throw her into the kid. All I know is we'll hide his skin, your bones. She never will play it around with him. And how you pose so still, well, aren't you good as gold? She never will play it around with him. Well, open mouth to feel waiter. Well, fuck her into the fire. Well, and your eyes in their last scene. Well, fuck her into the fire. I wanna believe, I just don't feel it. 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 Open mouth to feel waiter. Well, fuck her into the fire. Well, and your eyes in their last sand. Well, fuck her into the fire. I know you're addicted to roll her in to the kill. Thank you.